Okay guys, so today I'm working on a 2007 CRF150R, and now you'll see that this inspection cover bolt, or crank cover bolt, or whatever you need to adjust your top dead center, these will get stripped. I believe they're a 10 mil Allen. Oh, here I got a new cover there, but yeah, they strip out fairly easy all the time, so I can show you a way to get them off. Like, it will destroy the cover and you need a new one, but it is a way to do it. I've tried JB welding stuff to it and there's just no way, so I'm gonna show you how to get this thing off. So what we are going to do here is with a hammer and chisel, and of course this goes lefty-loosey, right? You wanna get a bit of an edge and just sort of chase that around, and if it's stuck really bad, it's going to be hard to get. As you can see, I took a huge bit out of here pounding on it, but just be careful not to slide off and punch a hole in your case or anything else. But this is the way to get these off of here, and it's more common than you think. There we go. Now we can get in there and adjust our crank and top dead center. There you go. Peace out, guys.